Today we are proud to announce a major milestone. The box ventilator has officially entered the verification and validation phase. In just 2.5 years, our team has developed the first complete version of the box hospital ventilator platform, an achievement that would typically take much longer in the medical device industry. This process was only possible because of one thing: an exceptional team, a team of highly experienced engineers, developers, regulatory experts, and clinical specialists who share a common vision: building the next generation of respiratory care. The result is a fully integrated ventilation platform featuring advanced ventilation modes, intelligent monitoring, patient safety systems, manufacturing automation, and a scalable software foundation designed for the next generation of AI-assisted and autonomous ventilation. All developed to the highest medical grade standards. So the foundation is built, now we prove it. Box will undergo extensive internal and external verification and validation testing. Independent laboratories will assess biocompatibility, electrical safety, usability, sterilization, and other requirements necessary for regulatory approval. At the same time, we continue to build a foundation for the future. Through our new lung simulator and box platform, we are creating a unique respiratory intelligent ecosystem that will accelerate the development of AI-assisted and eventually autonomous ventilation. We are looking forward to the first commercial release by end of this year. The technology is built, the validation has begun, the opportunity is now. Join us as we shape the future of ventilation.